Holi is one of the most vibrant and joyful festivals in the world, celebrated mainly in India and Nepal. It marks the arrival of spring, the triumph of good over evil, and the renewal of life. More than just a festival, Holi is a moment of collective celebration where differences disappear and joy takes over. One of the most striking aspects of Holi is the throwing of colors. People cover each other in brightly colored powders symbolizing happiness, unity, and the breaking down of social barriers. In many parts of India, Holi is a day when social norms are set aside. Strangers embrace, old conflicts are forgotten, and people from all backgrounds come together. Beyond its festive atmosphere, Holi has deep spiritual roots. The festival is linked to the legend of Prahlad and Holika, a story of devotion overcoming arrogance and oppression. The night before Holi, bonfires are lit in a ritual called Holika Dahan, symbolizing the burning away of negativity and the cleansing of the spirit. Music and dance also play a central role. Streets are filled with drums, singing, and joyous celebrations, creating an atmosphere where people can express themselves freely. Traditional sweets like gujia and festive drinks like dandai add to the sensory richness of the event. Holi is a reminder that life is meant to be celebrated. That joy is a reminder that life is meant to be celebrated. That joy is more powerful than division. And that for at least one day, everyone can experience a world where color unites rather than separates. It is not just about throwing colors. It is about embracing the present moment, letting go of burdens, and sharing joy with those around us.